Hey guys, I'm Trui and today we're gonna talk about Twitch emotes. What do I need to keep in mind if I commission somebody? Or maybe even, can I do it myself? Can I just make my own emotes? How much should I charge? What are the sizes our emotes have to be in? And what are the rules about copying an existing Twitch emote and remaking them? And what are the rules in general? How long does it take to get my emote approved? How to even unlock emote slots, and where else can I use my Twitch emotes? This all is coming up in this video. Stream smarter, not harder. But before I begin, I stream every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday, 8 PM Central European Time. Link is down underneath in the description. Let's start out with how do we actually get emotes. The first thing you need to do is get Twitch affiliate. Herefore, you need to have 3 average viewers, 50 followers, and you need to stream 7 days for at least 8 hours. If you've reached this, congratulations, you can now be a Twitch affiliate. And with being a Twitch affiliate, you unlock your first 3 emote slots. 1 for tier 1, 1 for tier 2, and 1 for tier 3. If you grow and get more subs, you will unlock more emote slots, with a maximum of 5. You can get this if you have 50 subscriber points. This is different from having subscribers because tier 2 and 3 count for more than just 1 point. If you're a Twitch partner, even more congratulations, you did a great job. But you can even have more emote slots depending on how many subscribers you have. And for partners, for every bit badge above the 1000 that you have unlocked, you actually get another emote slot for people that are having that bit badge. As you can imagine, I'm recording this video a couple of days before it actually goes live. This means that this feature might be available for affiliates yet, but it might also take a few days or weeks for it to come available. It's gonna be available somewhere in January 2020, so if it's later than that, it's available. I'll probably come out with a new video as soon as that feature rolls out to just explain how it works exactly. If that video is already out, it's probably up in the card above. So we got our emote slots now, we need to get emotes. We can do that either by hiring an artist or making them ourselves. The easiest way of making them yourself is make a picture of you and cutting out your face. This way you have a picture emote, picture of your face, or maybe even just a screenshot of your stream as your emote. If you want to know how you can do that exactly, I made a video about that. I will put it in the card above. And if you're good with drawing, obviously go ahead and draw one yourself, but most of us aren't that great with drawing. And what you can do then is or make a photo emote or hire an artist. There are a lot of different ways to find an artist. You can find them on Twitter, because a lot of artists will promote their stuff on Twitter and post sort of a portfolio on there, and sometimes even do a giveaway for an emote. Although it's really hard to search on Twitter, so if you are not stumbling upon one, it's pretty hard to find one by just searching for one. Then you can also join streamer discords. These are discords full of streamers. A lot of the times there are also artists in here. A lot of these discords also have an artist area where people that make emotes or profile banners or anything like that Twitch related can drop their resume, drop their stuff that they made, and you can commission them there. The third way you can do it is go to Twitch, go to the creative section and see if people are drawing emotes. And the fourth way of doing it is basically just going on Twitch, and if you see a nice emote, just ask the streamer who made it for them. And then the last but not least one is Fiverr. On Fiverr people can sell their services, and recently this whole Twitch area became a thing where you as an artist can sell emotes or profile banners or anything like that Twitch related. And this is an easy way to find a lot of artists real quick. The downside of Fiverr is though, some of the artists are really good and some of them are not that great. Try and see what kind of reviews these people have, because I find Fiverr to be a bit hit or miss. If you did all this or some of these options, you will probably stumble upon a couple of cool designers you have in mind, but the prices can be really different. So what would be a good price for an emote? To be honest, every artist has a different price. They can ask $5, but they can also ask $35. This price is dependent on the quality of the emote, the work speed they have, because they probably want to be paid per hour, and last but not least, the demand of this artist. If a lot of people want to get an emote from this artist, they can up their prices because people just want to pay more. At the end, it is up to you what you want to pay. Do you want to pay $5? Or do you want to go all out and pay 35? Find an artist that you like and see if the price is worth it for you. The next step is you found an artist. Now you need to work together with this person. What do you need to keep in mind? It's quite normal that they make sketches, and after you receive them, you need to pay. So this is that you have an idea how the emotes are gonna be, and you can still choose to remake the whole thing or the ID if you don't feel like it will turn out great. The reason that you need to pay now and not when they're done is because you can steal them basically. The artist has no guarantee of you paying if they made the emotes already. And if you just don't want to pay anyway, they put all the effort in making them and they don't get anything in return. And if they make the sketches, you can still say like, I don't really like this, never mind. That's okay. Or you can ask them to adjust things. If they're done, by the way, you can still ask for adjustments if you're not happy with the final product. Just try and be nice about it and try to think about that not everything is possible because the emotes are going to be really, really, really small, so you can't have too much detail. Normally, if the emotes are done, you will receive them in the standard Twitch sizes, which are 112 pixels, 56 pixels, and 28 pixels. If you want them bigger than the Twitch standard emote sizes, you probably have to ask your artist before they start drawing. This is because then they know that they need to make it on a bigger canvas. They might charge you extra for that though. I know a lot of you like to make stickers of your emotes. Tell your artist beforehand, because then they know that they need to not stop drawing at the end of the emote's frame, but they need to kind of go outside it. So if you make a sticker, you don't have half cut off hair. And if you want to sell this design as a sticker or maybe on a t-shirt or something like that, ask your designer if this is okay or if they ask a commission, or maybe they want to be paid a little bit more because you're gonna earn money from their design. Let's talk a little bit about the rules. I also have a video about how you can upload your emotes in Twitch. In there I go in depth about the rules, so if you want to check that out, it's up in the card. But one of the things you might overlook is that you want to imitate a Twitch emote that is already there. So one of the global emotes from Twitch itself that you really want to make as well. There's only 2 emotes this is allowed on. All the other ones you cannot remake. Luckily, one of the emotes is the kappa, so don't worry, you can just make a kappa face, make it gray and use it. Second one allowed is VHIO. So don't try and make emotes that look like the global Twitch emotes that aren't VHIO or kappa. Another thing you might have overlooked is that you cannot use one single letter as Twitch emote. This is so that people cannot just spell things with Twitch emotes and ignore the other one. Sometimes you will see single letter emotes. This is because not all partners have to be approved, but some of them are instantly getting their emotes approved. Another exception is that if your brand is directly connected to one single letter, you can use this one single letter as your emote. So for example, if you're called the Big S, you might be able to use the S as an emote. Might be able to, because it might still be denied. How long does it take to get approved? For Twitch affiliates, this is not a set time. My fastest emote was like 2 hours. That was real quick. I uploaded the day and in the night I already just got to use it on my Twitch. And the slowest one I had was about like 2 weeks, so that one was really slow. That wasn't a time that was like kind of busy with uploading emotes. A lot of people upload Christmas emotes. This means that around Christmas it's kind of busy for them and they can't do it as fast as they normally do. Although partners in good standing just immediately get their emotes approved. If you are a streamer, you probably also have Discord. If you haven't, well, get on with it! Don't make one! Come on, man! No, seriously, you need one. The fun thing about Twitch emotes is that your subscribers automatically gain your Twitch emotes in Discord as well, as long as you connect your Twitch to your Discord. If you don't really know how to do this, I got a video about it, so check that out. I don't know about the bit batch emotes. I don't know if that's going to be automatic or not. I hope it is, I kind of hope it is. But I will totally tell you about that in the next video where I will tell about Twitch affiliate badges. If you want to, you can just use your Twitch emotes and upload them on Discord or connect them to Twitch. If you want to upload them, it's probably nicest to upload the 112p emote version. This will make it look most crisp and clear. If you haven't unlocked all your emotes yet, you might want to set goals for them. But how do I make good goals? I got you covered in this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, click the little bell icon for notifications, and I will see you in the video about setting goals for Twitch.